in 2020, and I just wanted to do a real quick video about the gold and silver prices. And it appears that we have hit record highs, and I'm very excited about this because I'm really invested in silver and gold. I really believe in it because I like to diversify my portfolio not only in the stock market but also in gold and silver, which I believe that we have now entered into a new bull run in the gold market. So let's take a look at it, and let me tell you what I am looking at right here. This is the gold chart. As you can see here, the price of gold back in 2008 was around $1,003, and we hit a bull run going back here. Let me go back 20 years back here. Back in 2003, the price of gold was $344. We had a nice bull run going all the way up over here to 2006, and then it kept going again. We went all the way up to the prices back in 2008. It went all the way to $976 an ounce. That was back in March 2008. And then once the economy started to weaken and get really bad, they started to print and they started to manipulate the market. That's when the price of gold and silver went down. Back in 2008 March, 2008 June, it went down all the way to $731. And from October 2008, when they started to print more money and there was more fear in the market, that's when the bull market again started in the gold and silver market, and it went all the way up here to 1828 on August 31, 2011. And right now, it looks like we are at 1873, which is an all-time high, folks. It's an all-time high for gold. And we have passed the previous high, which was 1828, and we are now at 1873 as we speak. And it went down all the way down over here to 1054 on December 2015, and it looks like we are now heading up from this point, and from my opinion, it looks like we might be heading towards $3,000, maybe even $4,000 an ounce from here, depending on how the Fed continues to print more money to provide for the stimulus checks and to bail out cities and states, and also to continue to buy equities in the stock market and even bonds. So if they continue to do that, it's only going to push the silver and gold market higher. It's also going to push the Bitcoin prices and cryptocurrencies higher. And I am really firm on diversification. I don't believe that we should only be in the stock market. I'm involved in the stock market as well, but I think that in order for you to have a good portfolio and a solid portfolio, I really strongly believe that you need to diversify and look into possibly getting into gold and silver. From my opinion, it looks like we are heading back up beyond this 1873 and going out to 3,000, 4,000, and maybe even more. So this might be a good time to get in. I'm not sure, but definitely I have positions in this market from before where I was investing when it was around this range over here. And I believe that if we continue to hold this and hold on to the bull market, we're going to be heading out higher. So I just wanted to throw this out there. It looks like, it went down 40% from this high to this low here. And it looks like from this low to this high, we went up at least 160% or more, maybe even 200%. So from this low of 1060, we're looking at probably going to, like I said earlier, close to $3,000 an ounce. So that's my view, guys. Let me know what you guys think, if you agree with me or disagree with me. There might be a small pullback here, and if you see any small pullback, let that be your opportunity to jump in and get some gold right here. And I'm talking about physical gold bars. I'm talking about coins. I'm talking about gold bars, bullion. And you could also invest in the gold stocks as well, gold and silver stocks. But I'm specifically talking about gold bullion. I mean, I can't see anything as far as the dollar doing any better right now, because we're printing so much money that I cannot imagine that the value of the dollar is going to continue to hold much longer. I do believe that there will be a deflation for a short period of time, but as soon as the deflation is out, within maybe a few months to a year, I think that we're going to be hitting inflation and possibly hyperinflation. And again, that's my opinion. I'm not giving you financial advice. That's just my opinion of how I see things going, based on how the government is printing money, how the Federal Reserve is printing money, and how we're using this currency to fund all of these bailouts and stimulus packages. I strongly believe that we need to be holding some percentage of our holdings in gold and silver, and that will be a wise thing to do, possibly 20 to 30% of your holdings. If you listen to Mike Maloney, he's a very good investor, and he's very good to get some information on regarding gold and silver. And if you guys want to watch him and watch his videos, he gives you a good breakdown of why you should be holding gold and silver in your portfolio. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I look to doing some more videos. Thank you very much.